Hello everyone, we are going to learn the last child. Hello everyone, nowadays we are learning class ninth moments book, first chapter, that is the last child, and today's okay, and we have discussed the short summary of this chapter. So we should start second page. Here come child come, called his parents, as he lagged behind, fascinated by the toys in the shops that lined the way. Means here you can say that the writer is telling that the child was called by the parents when he was lagged behind. And the child was lagged behind because he was attracted by the toys in the shops that lined the way. He hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call. When the child was called by his parents, at that time his feet obedient for his parents. His eyes still lingering on the receding toys. Means when he was called by his parents, he was just started to come back to his parents, but his eyes were lingering to the toys who were left behind. As he came to her, they had stopped to wait for him. Means as he came, as the boy came to her, they had stopped to wait for him while his parents were waiting for him. He could not suppress the desire of his heart when he reached to his parents. He said to his parents that he wanted that toy. Even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes, I want that toy, he pleaded. He used to know perfectly that his father will refuse to make him provide the toys. Still, he finds himself failed to suppress his desire. At last, he used to tell his desire to his parents, but he was refused. His father looked at him red-eyed in his familiar tyrant's way. When he used to ask his parents that he need some toys or some sweets, his father looked at him with red eyes. His mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender and giving him her finger to hold, said, "Look, child, wait is before you." And when he used to ask something to his parents, at that time he was refused by his parents. It was flowering mustard field, pale like melting gold as it swept across miles and miles of even land. Here writer express the scenery of the field with which or through which the people used to go to the fair. What kinds of scenes were available in the bay, means in the mustard field. The mustard field was spread miles and miles. A group of dragonflies were whistling about on their gaudy purple wings, intercepting the light of a lone black bee or butterfly in such sweetness from the flowers. The child followed them in the air with his gaze, till one of them would steal its wings and rest. And he would try to catch it, but it would go fluttering, flapping up into the air. When he had almost caught it in his hands, then his mother gave a cautionary call, "Come, child, come onto the footpath." Means here in this passage, a writer describing about the joy of the child and in the way he used to catch butterfly, and when he used to the near to catch the butterfly started to fly. Okay, so guys, your today's homework, learn 20 words meaning of this chapter. Okay.